In this video, we're going to show you how to batch edit note properties in Obsidian. Properties play an important role in Obsidian because they help organize information across your notes. Whether you're managing projects, research, tasks, content calendars, or personal knowledge systems, properties make it easier to categorize, filter, and search your notes efficiently. However, there may be times when you need to update the same property across dozens or even hundreds of notes. Manually opening each note and changing the property one at a time can quickly become time-consuming and inefficient. The good news is that Obsidian provides a simple way to batch edit properties, allowing you to update multiple notes at once without editing every note individually. By the end of this video, you'll learn a quick method to batch edit note properties and keep your vault organized more efficiently. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and navigate to the folder or search results containing the notes you want to modify. Next, switch to the File Explorer or use Search to display the notes you want to update. Now, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac and select multiple notes. Once the notes are selected, right-click on the selection. From the menu that appears, choose Properties. This will open the Bulk Property Editing panel. Next, select the property you want to change. You can either update an existing property or add a completely new property to all selected notes. Enter the new value you want to apply. After confirming the change, Obsidian will update the selected property across all chosen notes at the same time. This can save a significant amount of effort when managing large collections of notes. You can repeat the same process whenever you need to update tags, statuses, categories, project names, or other metadata fields. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, select the notes you want to modify. Second, open the Bulk Property Editing option. And third, update or add the property value and apply the changes to all selected notes. Remember that batch editing properties can dramatically improve your workflow when working with large Obsidian vaults. Instead of manually updating notes one by one, you can make consistent changes across multiple notes in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for project management systems, research databases, content planning workflows, and knowledge management setups where metadata needs to remain accurate and consistent. Taking advantage of batch property editing can help you save time, reduce mistakes, and maintain a cleaner organizational structure throughout your vault. And that's how to batch edit note properties in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.